Hi, I'm Kelsie Hardester. I'm a marketing intern here at Castle Contracting. I go to school at the University of Pikeville and I'm majoring in business administration with a minor in communications. Growing up with family in the construction industry influenced me to this internship with Castle because it was something that I always had exposure to, so it made me feel comfortable taking this internship. Right now I'm working on a variety of projects, from developing resumes on file for qualification-based jobs to doing social media for the company. It's definitely a challenge and something that they don't teach you in school. So every single day I'm learning something new. I learned that sometimes it's better to be concise than to fluff things up and make things sound nice. I also got to go out to job sites. Before this internship, I didn't even know what civil construction was. I had no clue that civil construction meant moving around dirt and doing the base work for the big buildings to go on top. That was awesome exposure to see people in the field doing incredible projects with super neat stuff. I'm graduating this year in 2024, and after this internship, I definitely think a career in construction and a career with Castle would be something that I'd be interested in.